Adding page numbers in Microsoft Word is not that complicated, but making changes to the standard numbering takes a few extra steps. In this video, I will show you how you can add page numbers, how you can format them, and how you can start numbering from any page you want. So let's start by adding page numbers to this document. As you can see, it includes a cover page, a table of contents, the actual text, and a few appendices. To add page numbers, click on Insert and then Page Number. I will select bottom of the page and place it on the right side. Now we've added page numbers to the footer on every page. And maybe you don't want that. Showing a page number on the cover page is probably not something we want to see. So let's fix that. To prevent having a page number on the cover page, I can click this option here, Different First Page. And now you see that the page number on the cover page has disappeared. But the first page number you see here starts with 2. Now, I want this to be my first page, and I want to see page number 1 here. To change this, you click with your right mouse key on the page number in the footer. Then select Format Page Numbers. And we don't want to start with number 1, but we want to start with 0. And that means that the cover page has number 0 and the second page starts with number 1. And that's what we want. Okay, but what if I want to start with numbering my pages after the table of contents page? So start with the page numbers where the actual text starts. In that case, we have to break up my document into different sections. The first thing I'm going to do here is delete the page numbers I just added. I did it by selecting the page number and hit delete. Then I click Home and click on this paragraph icon. This shows the formatting marks in our document. And you see that I have a so-called page break right under the table of contents. I'm going to delete this page break and insert a section break instead. We do that by going to Layout and click on Breaks here. Under Section Breaks, I click on Next Page here. Now this document has 2 sections, one for the first 2 pages and one for the rest of the document. And you can see that by clicking on the footer at the bottom of the page here. Here you see that we're in section 2, and when I scroll up, you see this is section 1. In the footer in section 2, you see that this footer is the same as the footer in the previous section. And we don't want that because we don't want to have page numbers in section 1. You solve that by clicking on this button here, Link to Previous. We also want to make sure that the option Different First Page is unchecked. Now we can add our page number for section 2 just by clicking on this page number button here and select the position and the style for our page number. Now let's turn off the formatting marks by clicking on the paragraph button and see how things look now. Yes, and this is actually what I wanted to see. No page numbers on the first 2 pages and page numbers starting from page number 3. But I also have a few appendices. What if I want to use a different kind of page numbers for that part? We can do that by adding a third section. Let's hit the paragraph button again to show the formatting marks. Delete the page break and replace it with a section break like we did before. Now unlink section 3 from section 2 and delete the page numbering format from the previous section. Add a new page number like this. And now I want to change the format of the page numbers for section 3 here. And I do that by giving a right mouse click and select Format Page Numbers. And let's choose for a Roman number format here. Now let's toggle off the formatting marks again and see if we're happy with the end result. And yes, we are happy. When we update the table of contents, you see that the page numbers start where the text actually starts and that the appendices have a Roman number. After seeing this video, I think you're able to fix your page numbers. If not, let me know in the comments below. To watch more videos like this, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video.